Etsy is an online marketplace that connects buyers and sellers of handmade, vintage, and unique items. It is a popular platform for small business owners and artisans to sell their products to a global audience. If you're interested in earning money on Etsy, there are several steps you can take. Create an Etsy account. If you don't already have an account, create one by visiting the Etsy website and following the instructions. Set up your shop. Once you've created an account, you can set up your shop by choosing a name, adding a profile picture, and creating a banner. You'll also need to list your items and set up payment and shipping options. Promote your shop. To attract customers, you'll need to promote your shop through social media, email marketing, and other channels. Etsy also offers advertising options to help you reach a larger audience. Fulfill orders. When customers place orders, you'll need to fulfill them by packaging and shipping the items. To make working with Etsy easier, here are some tips. Take high-quality photos of your products. This will help your items stand out and attract more buyers. Price your items competitively. Research what similar products are selling for and price your items accordingly. Communicate with customers. Respond to messages and inquiries in a timely manner to provide excellent customer service. Keep track of your finances. Keep track of your sales and expenses to ensure that you're making a profit and to help with tax reporting. Overall, Etsy can be a great platform for selling handmade, vintage, and unique items. With some effort and dedication, you can earn money and build a successful business on Etsy.